请
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey everyone, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT, and we got musician Zhao Qianyun right here, who comes from Dongshi District in Taichung. Now, she's a musician who creates songs in the Dapu Hakka dialect, like this one called The Train from the Past, or in Hakka, Tiao Bai Ge Fo Ca Tiao. Now, she returns to her hometown to shoot the music video, taking listeners on a journey through time, imagining a bike ride through Dongshi's scenic spots, like the Dongfeng Bicycle Greenway and the Shigang Dam. Now, each scene is rich with childhood memories for her, expressing her deep affection and longing for her hometown. So let's get on this journey with Zhao Qianyun.
一条路山来一起天马，对东西多下讲，轻轻穿过时间界崩空，天道太甲破界流水响，百年算数。同梅树下，如凉风，一轻一轻，声音高了，翻起发发，头云树才盖起风火茶嘛，头摆盖火茶头，头摆盖天。想到了门该打边路，强强该树林，起起同期韩国，头摆该火茶头，头摆该天记录，对本想到了门该幸福路，强强该冲浪。
赵倩云来自台中东市，是以大埔腔创作歌曲的音乐人。2013年，他曾经发行首张客语创作专辑，而在2022年，他再次推出新歌，就是这一首《跳白给否茶条》，并回到他的家乡拍摄 MV， 带领听众穿越时光隧道。想象骑着单车游览东风绿色走廊，然后再到石冈水坝等东市景点，每一幕呢都有着他童年满满的回忆，也表达了他对家乡东市的深刻思念。What a beautiful song with lots of memories. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.